Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the highly sought after area of Tower Isle, St. Mary. This newly refurbished gem offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and Caribbean charm. This stunning property boasts 4 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, expansive living, dining and family areas, enhanced hallway, 3 balconies and a patio, ideal for enjoying the cool Caribbean breeze and the breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. There is an additional apartment of 1 bedroom, open concept living and dining area, kitchen areas and a bathroom, a perfect space for guest or rental income. This home sits on a generous 10,345 square feet of beautifully landscaped land, featuring an electronic gate for added privacy and security, just 15 minutes from Ocho Rios. This property is surrounded by top-tier entertainment and outdoor activities, including Irie Outdoors Entertainment Venue, Reggae Beach, White River, and the world-famous Duns River Falls. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million, US 507,000, Canadian 725.8 thousand, or 394.1 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.